In today's video, I'm going to show you how to multi-stream your Zoom meeting using OBS Studio. So first of all, go ahead and start a meeting or join in a meeting in Zoom. Now go to your OBS Studio and we have to add our Zoom meeting in OBS Studio. So select the scene and under sources, click on this plus icon and select here window capture. And I'm typing here Zoom. And now click on this window drop down and here we have to select our Zoom meeting and click on OK. And then we can see our Zoom meeting successfully added. Now you can resize your Zoom meeting. And now go to your browser and come to this website restream.io and sign up here for free. Once you successfully logged in, you get this dashboard. Here click on new stream and select encoder RTMP, and here I'm typing Zoom multi-stream, and if you want you can add here a description. Now select here your stream starting date and your multi-stream starting time. If you want to change this thumbnail, you can just go ahead and replace the thumbnail from here, then just click on next, and here click on add channels, and here we can see all available social media accounts. So for example, I want to multi-stream my Zoom meeting to my YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Kick. So I'm just going to connect all of them one by one, and then I'm connecting my Twitch account, clicking on authorize to connect. And then I'm clicking on add channel again, and this time I'm going to connect my Kick account with this restream.io website. Once you successfully connected your multiple platforms, you just come to this list and here you get your all connected social media account. Just enable this platform where you want to multi-stream. So I'm just turning on Kick, turning on my YouTube, turning on my Twitch, and turning on my Facebook. And for now I'm going to stream only on Kick and my Twitch account, and then I'm clicking on create event. Once the event successfully created, here you get your RTMP URL and your stream key. Now we will use this RTMP URL and stream key to connect this Restream website with our OBS. So copying this RTMP URL and going back to my OBS, going to settings, selecting stream, service, select custom, enter here the RTMP server URL and copying the stream key and pasting the stream key here and apply OK. And I have successfully connected my OBS with the Restream.io website. Now I'm just clicking on start streaming, and then OBS Studio will start to send my all sources to this Restream.io website. So here you can see my live stream successfully started. Here we can see my Zoom meeting is now streaming to this website, and this website streaming my Zoom meeting to my Twitch and Kick at the same time. So let's go to our Twitch dashboard. So I'm going to my Twitch creator dashboard and selecting stream manager, and here as you can see currently I'm streaming my Zoom meeting on my Twitch, and the same way I'm going to my Kick channel, and here we can see my Zoom meeting is now streaming on my Kick account. So that's how you can actually multi-stream our Zoom meeting using OBS Studio.